Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Welcome to Mathematics Simplified. Today we'll be looking at some top BECE past question papers for our forthcoming exams. Okay, our first question says, if 25% of a number is 75, what is the number? Okay, so we know that 25 for question 1, we know that 25% is 25 over 100, all right, of x equals 75. Okay, that's the interpretation of that statement. So here we're having 25x over 100 equals 75. So we can cross multiply. That gives us 25x equals 75 times 100. So x will give us 75 times 100 over 25. Okay, 25 here, 1, 25 into 100, 4. So x equals 75 times 4, which is 7 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20. We write down 0, carry 2. 4 times 7 is 28. Okay, 28 plus 2 will give us 30. So that gives us 300. Our number x is 300. Now, for question 2, it says, given that 7 is to y equals 21 is to 6, that we should find the value of y. Okay, let's put this in fraction form. We have it as 7 over y equals 21 over 6. Okay, so we can now do what? Cross multiply. So when we cross multiply, this gives us 21y equals 7 times 6 is 42. Okay, so y equals 42 over 21. So which gives us y equals 2. So the value of our y would be 2. All right, to question 3, it says, express 63025 in standard form. So we have 63025, and we have to express it in standard form. Now, if we're expressing in standard form, it simply means we are going to put a decimal point between the first and second non-zero digit. Okay, between the first and second non-zero digit. So since this our decimal point is assumed to be after our last whole number, so we now count 1, 2, 3, 4. So this gives us 6.3025 times 10 raised to power. How many times did we move? 4. 4. So with this, we've put this in standard form. Okay? To question 4, it says, evaluate 1 3 over 5 plus 3 over 4. Now, for us to evaluate this, we would convert this to an improper fraction. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8. This gives us 8 over 5 plus 3 over 4. Okay, now here our common LCM here of 5 and 4 is 20. 5 into 20 is 4. 4 times 8 gives us 32, plus 5 and 4 into 20 is 5. 5 times 3 gives us 15. Okay, now 32 plus 15 will give us 47 over 20. Now, our answer here becomes 20 into 47, 2 whole number, 7 over 20. Okay, would be our answer. All right, to question 5, it says, simplify 4x minus x over 7 over 21. All right, now in simplifying this, we'll do what? First of all, find our LCM. Our LCM of 7 and 21 is 21. So 7 into 21 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12x minus 21 into 21 is 1. 1 times x is x. So this gives us 12 minus 1, 11x over 21. All right, now to question 6. It says if 2x plus y equals minus 7 and 3x equals 6 plus 4y, all right, we have to solve this out simultaneously and find the value of x minus y. Okay, in order to solve this simultaneously, we'll first of all have to convert, make it look alike, all right? So this becomes 2x plus y equals minus 7 and 3x minus 4y equals 6. Okay, now the next thing we have to do is to give them a common term. If that we give y to have a coefficient of 4, all right, by multiplying through by 4, or we make x to have a coefficient of 6 by multiplying through by 3 and through by 2. So let's eliminate y. Okay, let's make y here. Remember, in solving your simultaneous equation, you could use your elimination method or your substitution method. So I prefer to use an elimination method. So I make my y times 4 here. So this becomes 4 times 2x, 8x plus 4y equals minus 28. All right, so this is 3x, this is times 1, I'm not changing it, minus 4y equals 6. Now, I can now eliminate. Since they're having different signs, I do what? I add. 8 plus 3 will give me 11x, minus 4 plus 4 will give me 0, equals minus 28 plus 6. Okay, that is 6 minus 28, which gives me 20 minus 22. Okay, now our x will become minus 22 over 11, which is minus 2. So the value of x is minus 2. Now let's substitute into equation 2, where we have 3x minus 4y equals 6. So since x is minus 2, this becomes 3 bracket minus 2. Okay, 3 bracket minus 2 minus 4y equals 6. So this gives us 6 minus 4y equals 6. Okay, so sorry, this is minus 6. All right, so minus going over would give us minus 4y equals 6 plus 6. So minus 4y equals 12. So y equals 12 over minus 4, which is minus 3. Okay, so now we are asked to find the value of x minus y. So x minus y will become minus 2 minus 3. Okay, so that gives us minus 2 minus times minus plus 3, which gives us 1. So the value of x minus y is 1. Okay, to question 7, it says evaluate minus 2x squared over x squared minus y squared. Now, we are given the value of x when x is minus 2 and y is 3. So substituting in our question here, we have minus 2 bracket minus 2 squared over minus 2 squared minus 3 squared. Okay, so this gives us minus 2 times 4 all over 4 minus 9. This gives us minus 8 all over 5. All right, which in mixed fractions will be minus one whole number 3 over 5. So with this, we've evaluated this. And our eighth question says, find the mode of the distribution. Now, when we talk about mode of a distribution, we are looking at what is mode. Mode is the number or the age, in this case, the age with the highest frequency. Okay, the one as in a set of data that has the highest frequency is a mode. So in this case, we are looking at among all the ages we have, which of them has the highest frequency. We can see 45 is the highest frequency we have here, or for 50 years. So our mode will become 50 years. Okay, with a frequency of what? 45. That is our mode. Alright guys, with this, we've come to the end of today's tutorial. So if there are any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. Also, like and subscribe to our channel to get new updates. If you've enjoyed our lecture so far, share this link with your friends. Thank you for staying with us till the end.